Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Cassie Johnson and my channel is all about teaching you how to start your very own business from home, selling print on demand on Etsy. I am a full-time Etsy seller and now business coach, and my goal with this channel is to help you find success faster. I also wanted to share real quick in case you missed my post on YouTube. Etsy is running a great little gift promotion right now where if you go to etsy.com/promotions and type in 100 new for Etsy, they'll give you 100 free listings to list in your store. It does only work for new listings, but I don't know how long that'll be going on. So go ahead and claim your free 100 listings from Etsy today. In today's video, we'll be comparing 3 different tank tops that are available on Printify's website that you can sell in your Etsy store this summer and beyond. If you're not familiar with Printify, they are a print-on-demand website that houses hundreds of different print companies. So you make a design and then they actually, when someone buys it, will print it onto your item, ship it to your customer, and even update the tracking number for you all on Etsy. So all you have to do is handle the customer service and make some gorgeous designs. I've been using Printify for over 2 years and have fulfilled over 20,000 items through their website, so they have long been my favorite print-on-demand company. I do have a link down in the description if you've not signed up for them yet, and a code to give you 1 month of free Printify Premium. The reason why I'm reviewing tank tops today is I do promote a lot on my channel to find sustainable ways to grow your business smarter, not harder. So one thing I really promote here is once you find a good design that's selling, say, on t-shirts or on mugs or tote bags, if you haven't seen my Printify reviews for those items, you can go check those out on my channel. And so if you find something that sells well on one item, you should go ahead and add that design to a different item like a tank top, since you never know what people might be searching. And if you already have a proven design that people love, you might as well show up in more places on Etsy. The 3 tank tops I chose to review for this video are the Next Level 6733, the Next Level 1533, and the Bella Canvas 8800. I'll be comparing the prices for the tank tops, the actual overall print of the design, as well as the options that are offered for each one. Then make sure to stay until the end because I'll tell you which tank top I think you should start selling in your store today. So first I'll be reviewing the Next Level 6733 tank top. I did order this one from the Dream Junction and I ordered this in the color Heather White. As you can see, it's kind of almost more of an ash gray color almost. I use this a lot for bachelorette party shirts and the print looks amazing. I think the color turned out really great. The blacks turned out really great. Just overall a really nice looking tank top. I did get all of the designs for this video from FABRICA.com. They are a website where you get 4 million graphics that you can use for your print-on-demand business. I do have a link down in the description. It's $19 a month normally, but if you use my link, you get a $1 first month trial if you want to try it out. So just so you know where those came from. This tank top does not have any seams along the edge, so this is a seamless tank top, really nice and comfortable. So starting with the pricing for the 6733 tank top here on Printify, this does include the Printify Premium to get a discount on all your items per month. That's what my pricing is going to show as, but again, there is a coupon in the description if you don't already have Printify Premium for 1 month free. So there are 4 different print providers you can choose from. I try to avoid any print providers that only have 1 or 2 colors available, like Monster Digital. Most often when I've sold this, it's been for bachelorette shirts or matching tank tops of some kind. So I have typically used the Dream Junction for my fulfillment of these tank tops when I've sold them in the past. I would sell them in the Heather White as well as the Heather Black as a matching like bachelorette party tank tops. So the pricing through the Dream Junction is $10.79 plus $4 in shipping. So total cost to you would be $14.71. So if you sell these at about $25, you are making a decent profit on the items. Then going down to the most expensive option, you have Stoked on Printing. They're $14.31 for the tank top and $4.80 for the shipping. So that is a total of $19.11. So not a ton of options for the different print providers for the pricing with this tank top. So now on to the options for this tank top. So again, there's only 4 print providers and there's not that many different colors available. There's only 10 different color options and none of them are like a nice pink, which is what I sell a lot for bachelorette parties. So typically with these tank tops, you could do like blue and red for 4th of July, or you could do black and white, but not a ton of different options here. And then one thing to keep in mind when there's only, 3 or 4 print providers for a certain item is when things go out of stock, it can be hard to switch to another print provider if they're already out of stock. So I'm mentioning that now because if we click on more details, the Dream Junction is actually currently out of stock of 4 of 6 of the sizes in the Heather White right now. And so if I had priced my items to use the Dream Junction, but they're out of stock, now I'm having to go switch to one of these other print providers that have it available, but it's more expensive. But if you see here, Stoked on Printing is even out of stock of the size small right now. So Stakes Manufacturing is the only one with both of those colors currently in stock. And that's never a good place to be, having just one print provider with your items in stock. I really like to see a lot of different companies having them in stock. And so for that reason, I'd be worried about listing many of these in the future because I feel like you're just going to run into stock issues anytime that you get to a busy season. So moving on to the next level 1533 tank top. I did get this one printed from Awkward Styles. So I'll go ahead and show you the tank top first. So this one I ordered in the color white. And again, I got the design from Creative Fabrica. I think the design turned out really nice. The colors look great, just really cute quality here. And the white tank top, I'd say, is a tiny bit see-through would be my only complaint, but it is really cute, really nice. And just for size reference, I actually sized up in this tank top because I have read that it does fit much slimmer and much tighter than a lot of other tank tops. So the other 2 tank tops I ordered are in a size small, which is my normal size, and this one I actually ordered in a size medium. So I'd say depending on how busty someone is, they actually might want to size up 1 or 2 sizes. So if you do choose to sell the 1533, I would go ahead and include in a photo card recommending to size up, have it on your actual size chart recommending for them to size up, and in your description just to make sure that they absolutely know they should size up 1 to 2 sizes from their normal size. So taking a look at the pricing for the next level 1533 tank top, we'll go down here, and so I did order mine for the sample from Awkward Styles, which is one of the less expensive options at $7.06 with $4.80 for shipping. Dream Junction is the least expensive option at $7.55 plus $4 in shipping. So this one really ranges anywhere from a total of $11.55 to the most expensive one is from Stoked on Printing at $10.52 plus $4.80 for shipping. So $15.32 would be the highest end for this tank top, but really again all of them fall between the $11.55 range all the way up to the $15.32 range. So much more reasonable pricing compared to other tank tops that are available on Etsy. You could very easily sell this one for a $25 price and always be getting a really nice profit margin. And then getting more into the options, there are 7 different print providers and 15 different colors available. So there are quite a few more print providers with each color. So I feel like as things happen to have stock issues, you'd have more options of companies to switch to if there was an issue with that. So I'd say the options for the 1533 are very good compared to the last one we looked at, the 6733, as well as the price is a little bit more reasonable as well. So lastly, taking a look at the Bella & Canvas Women's Flowy Racerback Tank, the 8800. I did order this one in the athletic heather color. So this one, again, the print is from Creative Fabrica and the colors turned out amazing. I really like the sunset color as well as the gradient on these letters down here. I just think the print turned out really, really nice. I'd be more than happy if I received this as a customer. And then the difference about this racerback is it does have some scrunching here in the back, which is just what makes it really nice and flowy and cute. Fit-wise, this one was definitely the flowiest, most comfortable fit. I'd say if I had to choose one to wear myself, this is probably the one that I personally would order. But let's take a look at the actual pricing on Printify. So this one only has 3 different print providers. So this one really ranges anywhere from $17.02 all the way up to $23.08 just for the cost of the tank top. So again, considering we typically are pricing our tank tops at around the $25 mark, this one is probably the least competitive as far as pricing goes between the 3 tank tops today. And taking a look at the different options, again, there's only 3 print providers available and only 9 colors to choose from. So they are the most limited in the actual options as well. So again, I would be concerned with this one if there were any stock issues that you'd have trouble finding someone who could fulfill them, considering a lot of these don't carry the exact same colors. Like this cute little mint color, only this one company carries through Jams Designs. So if you posted this for sale in your store and it went out of stock, you'd have to just cancel the order if there wasn't someone who could fulfill it for you. So after looking at all 3 of the options for these tank tops available on Printify, my top recommended item for you to sell in your store today, the Next Level 1533. The price is the most reasonable. The quality of the tank top is really nice, really comfortable. The printing was really cute through Dream Junction. And then there are quite a few different options as far as colors to choose from and the most amount of print providers to ensure that if there are stock issues, you have other companies to choose from. So for those reasons, I'll recommend that you sell this one in your store. Make sure you get some really nice high quality mock-ups, and again, include to size up in your items since it is a slimmer fit tank top. And as long as you cover all those bases, I think you could really make a lot more money adding your already best-selling designs to tank tops today. I hope this review was helpful to you. Again, I have done reviews for mugs and tote bags and t-shirts already, so go back to my channel and check those out if you haven't seen that just yet, and we'll see you in the next one.